Sometimes we feel like we're not enough and we're lacking something that's needed in order for us to feel whole and complete. And while I'm all for enjoying greater abundance and having nice things in our lives, this idea that we need them then enforces an uncomfortable feeling when we don't have them. And the fact is, you are currently whole and complete, lacking nothing. And let's do some tapping on that. So, taking full responsibility for your own well-being. I choose to feel whole and complete. And I choose to love and accept myself. I choose to feel whole and complete. And I choose to love and honor myself. I choose to feel whole and complete. I choose to know that I already have what I need. That I already am all that I need. And I certainly intend to improve. Both what's inside and my outside circumstances. And I choose to feel a whole lot better in the process. And in order to help me feel better, I choose to feel whole and complete. And I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. I choose to feel whole and complete. I choose to feel whole and complete. I choose to feel that I'm lacking nothing. Certainly nothing that I need. Because the fact that I'm here right now is pretty good evidence that I have at least what I need. And it's perfectly fine that there are things that I want. Because it's an abundant world. Nothing wrong with wanting to enjoy more of it. And I'm probably capable of a lot more than I'm doing. And it's wonderful that I want to be more of who I can be. But this feeling that I'm lacking, this feeling that I'm not good enough, and that my circumstances aren't good enough, leads to an uncomfortable feeling that not only limits my happiness, it limits my energy, it limits my effectiveness. So if I want more, it helps to know that there's more inside. It helps to know that I am whole and complete, lacking nothing. So that every other good thing I allow into my life is an addition. I don't need it to complete me. It's a wonderful addition. A joyful enhancement. And I'm making that happen. And in the meantime, I choose to love myself right where I'm at, knowing that I am whole and complete, in body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath. Excellent. Allow yourself to keep reminding yourself of that. And the more you recognize that you are whole and complete, the more you'll find the energy and the wherewithal to be more of who you can be and share that with the world. And that's great for all of us, so please and thank you.